Let's talk about a culinary phenomenon that has quietly taken over kitchens across the nation: shredded cheese. It's more than just a topping. It's a staple, a convenience, and a flavor enhancer all rolled into one. Found in nearly every American fridge, nestled amongst the milk and leftovers, it's a testament to our love for ease and cheesy goodness. It's the secret weapon behind countless weeknight dinners, transforming simple meals into something special with just a sprinkle. Think about it. How many times have you reached for that bag to add a little something extra to your dish? From tacos, where it adds a cool, creamy contrast to the spicy fillings, to pizzas, blanketing the sauce with a melty golden layer of deliciousness, these tiny strands have woven themselves into the very fabric of American cuisine, becoming an indispensable part of our culinary landscape. We buy it by the bagful, often stocking up on multiple varieties to suit our different cooking needs. We're trusting it for quick, delicious meals, relying on its consistent quality and convenience to simplify our lives. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it gets from a cow grazing peacefully in a pasture to that convenient bag in your kitchen, perfectly shredded, ready to melt, and waiting to be devoured? The story of shredded cheese is more complex than you might think. It's a fascinating blend of time-honored tradition and cutting-edge technology, a process that has been refined over generations. Today, we'll follow its incredible journey, starting from the serene pastures of the dairy farm to the bustling environment of the modern cheese factory, and finally, arriving at its ultimate destination, your table, ready to enhance your favorite meals. By the end of this journey, you'll have a newfound appreciation for that humble bag of shredded cheese sitting in your fridge, and a deeper understanding of the work that goes into making it a kitchen staple. So let's begin where all great dairy stories invariably start, with a cow, the source of all this cheesy goodness. Everything starts with the milk. It's the foundation, the very essence of the delicious cheese we're about to create. Think of it as liquid sunshine, transformed by nature's own alchemists. On dairy farms across America, sprawling landscapes dotted with happy cows are where our story truly begins. These farms are the heart of cheese production, where dedicated farmers work tirelessly. Holstein cows, with their distinctive black and white markings, convert lush green grass and carefully formulated feed into the creamy, rich milk that forms the base of our cheese. It's a natural transformation, a testament to the power of nature. Modern farms use automated milking systems, a marvel of technology designed to ensure the comfort and well-being of the cows. These systems ensure cows are healthy and milk is collected efficiently with minimal stress to the animals. Regular health checks are a crucial part of the process. The raw milk is quickly chilled almost immediately after collection to preserve freshness and prevent bacteria growth. This rapid cooling is essential for maintaining the highest quality. It's stored in refrigerated tanks, massive stainless steel containers that maintain a constant, cool temperature, then transported in tanker trucks, giant thermoses on wheels, specially designed to keep the milk cold and safe during its journey to the cheese plant, a bustling hub of activity where the transformation from milk to cheese will take place. Drivers test the milk for quality before it's loaded, ensuring it meets the stringent standards required for cheese production, ensuring only the best makes the cut. Only the highest quality milk is deemed worthy of becoming cheese. At the factory, highly skilled technicians analyze the milk for a range of factors, including fat, the key to richness and flavor, protein, essential for the cheese's structure and texture, and purity, ensuring it's free from any contaminants. Only milk that passes these strict tests, meeting the highest standards of quality and safety, is pumped into massive silos, ready for transformation. These silos are like giant holding tanks, awaiting the cheese-making process. Food safety is paramount at every step. From the farm to the factory, hygiene and safety protocols are strictly enforced. The journey from pasture to plant is complete. The milk has arrived, ready to begin its transformation. Now the real magic begins. The transformation from simple milk to delicious, complex cheese is about to unfold. Now let's delve into the science behind this fascinating transformation. We're about to witness the magic that turns simple milk into the building blocks of delicious cheese. First, the milk undergoes pasteurization, a crucial step where it's heated to a specific temperature. This process is essential to kill any potentially harmful bacteria that might be present, ensuring the safety and quality of the final product. After pasteurization, the milk is rapidly cooled down. This rapid cooling halts any further bacterial activity and prepares the milk for the next stage of the cheese-making process. Now, the magic truly begins. Starter cultures, carefully selected strains of beneficial bacteria, are introduced to the milk. These cultures are the key to developing the unique flavors and textures of different cheeses. These starter cultures work their magic by converting lactose, the natural sugar in milk, into lactic acid. This process, known as fermentation, lowers the pH of the milk and begins the crucial transformation that leads to curd formation. This conversion is the first step in the milk's metamorphosis, setting the stage for the development of the cheese's characteristic texture and flavor profile. Next comes rennet, a complex enzyme that acts as a catalyst in the coagulation process. Rennet coagulates the milk proteins, causing them to bind together and form solid curds, while simultaneously separating out the liquid whey. The curd gradually sets into a soft, delicate mass, resembling a wobbly milky pudding. Then, with precision, the soft mass is cut into uniform cubes using automated knives. This cutting action is crucial because it dramatically increases the surface area of the curds. This increased surface area facilitates the expulsion of whey, the watery byproduct of the coagulation process. The curds and whey are then gently stirred and carefully cooked, allowing the curds to further solidify and release more whey. This process of stirring and cooking is essential for firming up the curds and developing the desired texture. The amount of cooking time and temperature plays a pivotal role, ultimately determining the cheese's final texture, from soft and creamy to firm and crumbly. For cheddar cheese, for example, the curds are cooked for a longer duration, resulting in a characteristically firmer and chewier texture. This fundamental process, with slight variations, serves as the foundation for crafting nearly every type of cheese imaginable. And just like that, the remarkable transformation from a simple liquid to a complex solid is complete. But the journey doesn't end here. Next, we embark on the exciting phase of adding flavor, character, and unique personality to our cheese. After cooking, the curds are cheddared, stacked, flipped, and pressed to develop texture. The slabs are milled into smaller pieces and salted. Salt draws out moisture, controls bacteria, and enhances flavor. Salted curds are packed into molds and pressed, forming dense blocks of fresh cheese. But flavor comes with time. The blocks are moved to aging rooms with controlled temperature and humidity. Enzymes and bacteria break down fats and proteins, creating complex flavors. The longer the cheese ages, the sharper and more intense the taste. From mild to extra sharp, aging is where cheese develops its soul. Once aged, the cheese is ready for its final transformation. Now it's time to shred. Aged cheese blocks are cut down and fed into industrial shredders. These machines can process thousands of pounds per hour, turning blocks into perfect shreds. But freshly shredded cheese is sticky. Moisture and fat make it clump. To prevent this, shreds are dusted with anti-caking agents like potato starch or cellulose. This keeps the cheese flowing freely and prevents clumps. The amount of powder is carefully controlled for ideal texture and melt. Sophisticated systems ensure every shred is evenly coated. Now the cheese is ready for packaging. The transformation from block to shred is complete. Next, we seal in freshness. The journey is almost over. Let's see how it's packaged. Packaging is a race against time to lock in freshness. Shreds travel by conveyor to a vertical form-fill-seal machine. This machine forms the bag, fills it, and seals it, all in seconds. A multi-head weigher ensures each bag gets the perfect amount of cheese. Just before sealing, the bag is flushed with nitrogen and carbon dioxide. This modified atmosphere packaging pushes out oxygen, slowing spoilage. The bag is sealed, trapping the cheese and protective gases inside. No artificial preservatives needed, just smart engineering. The finished bags are ready for store shelves. But before they leave, there's one last check. Food safety is the silent supervisor at every step. Quality checks, metal detectors, and X-rays ensure every bag is safe. Automation keeps the process efficient and consistent. Robots and computers control everything from temperature to portion size. This guarantees every bag tastes just like the last. Shredded cheese is beloved for its convenience and flavor. No grating, no mess, just instant cheesy goodness. It's a shortcut that doesn't compromise on quality. From farm to factory, it's a marvel of food science and engineering. Next time you sprinkle some on your meal, remember the journey it took. Shredded cheese, more than a topping, it's a modern miracle.